dito mga kajak, Toyota Vios. Ang check engine niya ay K Electrical. So K Electrical at hindi makaahon. So upon checking, nakita natin agad, nahuli natin agad na may problema doon sa may solenoid niya sa valve body. Okay, magandang umaga mga kajak. So test tayo ng valve body para, si sir okay lang ba? Ayan, dito sa shop natin, taga Bulacan sir?
Yes, sir.
Bulacan pa. Check natin tong valve body niya. At saka I have a friend in Canada, so he wants to learn how to check the valve body. This is how you check your valve body. So there are some solenoid here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 solenoid here, and you have to check the ohms. How many ohms? Just like this. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So just like one, we have the reading of 5.8. So 5.8 ohms, and this one is only 1.9. So there is a possibility that this one is broken. So there are some solenoid here, one pin only, and you need to check also body ground. It reads 13.7 ohms, the same, this one. Yeah, you see that? So almost 13, and this one is 2 pin, and you can check also. So this is the same. So this one is it might be, so yeah, very low. You see that? There must be a problem with this solenoid. Okay. Hello my friend. So this is how you test. That's why I told you to find scrap valve body in some area or location into your area. So this is valve body. This is the one that we pull down from this car, and this is the valve body that we borrowed from the junkyard. Okay, so here's the problem. Okay, you have to set your multimeter on ohms and continuity. So yeah, you see that is continuity. So if you are going to check all of these 3 solenoid, supposedly they are all the same. So this one is very low, 1.9, 1.1, and sometimes it's drop 0, but this one is 5.7, and this one is also ayan, 5.7 or 5.8. So these 3 should be the same. Now let us check the valve body from the junkyard. So as you can see, this one the same. Okay, this one the same. If we are going to check, this is a 5.6. So this one is very low. You see that? Yeah, you see that? Very low. But this one is supposedly 5.6. Okay. Oh, 5.7, 5.6. The same of these 3. You see that? 5.7. And this also a 5.7. Okay. So the reading of these 3 should be the same. So these 3 should be the same, but this one is failing. So then this is the problem. So at least we know there's a problem with the valve. This is a solenoid. So this is a good one. We are going to replace. Okay? Ayan, wala nang check engine. Ayan. Siyempre, test drive kami ni sir para malaman natin kung okay na yung kanyang Toyota Vios 2023, 22, 19, pare-pare siya CVT. So sabi ni sir, umiilaw na yung eco. Dati hindi umiilaw yan. May arangkada na daw. Okay. Dati ramdam mo yan sir, no? Walang arangkada talaga, no?
Sagad na yung
Paa,
gas mo.
hindi pa rin
Wala,
umarangkada.
masyadong
Okay, very good.
malata.
Malata. Ano yan? Sabit ba yun? Ano yan? Yan, test drive kami ni sir para makita natin talaga na yung pagkagawa natin ay sulit-sulit. Si ano? Yun. Ganda na. Ayun lang talaga. At least mabilis natin na trace. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. Yan. Dati wala yung ganun sir, no?
Yan, maano na siya eh.
Sumisibat na.
Sumisibat.
Okay, very good. Kasi, ayan. Dati wala yung ganun. Basta pagka grab sir ha, alalay lang sa biyahe. Huwag masyadong bira ng bira kasi CVT to. Yung belt, marami na akong ginawang ganito na naputulan ng belt eh. Kasi nga, yung hahabol ng biyahe, atras, bira agad ng drive, bira agad ng reverse, alalay, para tumagal. Then, alalayan din sa automatic transmission fluid. Wag masyadong mahaba. Yan, lumalabas na yung eco sir na. Very good na yan. Sige. Sige lang, diretso. Walang hams dyan. Medyo i-berit ng konti. Berit. Yeah. Para maramdaman natin na malakas na talaga. Sige lang, walang hams dyan. Diretso lang. Dito ako nagro-rotis eh. Basta pakiramdaman, diretso lang. Walang hams dyan, sige. Dito tayo nagro-rotis. May mga kanto nga lang. Aware lang. Sige lang, diretso lang.
Hindi siya mahatak ng ganito dati.
Dati, walang hatak na ganyan. Okay na yan. Okay. Balik na tayo sa shop. At least kasi sa iba yan sir, babanatan ka na agad ng transmission yan. Kahit sa model yan. Okay. Palit na tayo ng transmission sir, sabihin nila. Siyempre tayo dito muna tayo sa mga panlabas lang, mahuli naman natin, hindi okay na. Dati walang ganyan sir na. Ayos. Okay na, yung sasakyan ni sir. Okay na yung sasakyan ni sir. Ayos. Ano masasabi natin sir dito sa Jacopol
Recommended
Race?
sir, recommended.
Okay.
Recommend ko to sa mga kakilala.
Mga tropa natin. Ayos lang. Ano masasabi Sir Jojo sa pagpunta?
Solid. Grabe.
Solid na. Galing pa yan.
Solid. Galing Bulacan.
Galing Bulacan.
Dinaya ko dito, hindi nakakapagsisi.
Okay, salamat Sir Jo. Ingat.
Next time ulit, sir.
Okay.